Hi folks, Dan here. Just a little quick tip when you go to do your oil change and you happen to not have an oil filter wrench. You can make one really simple and easy just out of a piece of string and a spare wrench that you have. You basically tie it around you just match it up with the new filter that you have, and you just make yourself a slip knot. You just take the loop that you have hanging over and you just put it through, and you got yourself a slip knot, you can see. And basically that just slides over your oil filter. So the oil filter slides over. When you're underneath, you can just simply adjust it, slide it where you need it to be to give you the most movement, travel inside. So that'll just slide wherever you need to be. And then once you have it, this binds up against the thing and you can turn it. You just feel the force there, right? And if you only got a little bit of turn, you need a little bit more, you just slide it again, just that little bit, and then turn it again, and by then you can just hand tighten it, or loosen it, sorry, to take it off. So yeah, just a simple string and a wrench, and it binds around the oil filter. It works really good with the ones with the the grip on it. The smooth ones is a little bit harder, but once you tighten that up and you give it some torque to it, you'll just turn that on. So it just saves you running to go buy a new one if you just happen to can't find it, or somebody's bored it, or whatever the case may be. I just did it now. I just did my oil change and I couldn't find it. I haven't got a clue where it went, but I made one in just a few minutes. And yeah, so just a quick tip, that's it, and hope you have yourself a great day, and bye for now.